Today we are going to talk about how you can monetize your YouTube channel in 2025. Hi creators, welcome back to YouTube Infotech, where we help small YouTubers to grow fast and start earning instantly online. If you've been uploading video and still not making money, so grab your notebook because this video might change your YouTube journey. First thing first, before YouTube begins paying you money, the first thing you have to do is you need to qualify for YouTube Partner Program. There are now two ways to do that. Option one, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and you must be having 4,000 valid watch hours in the last 12 months. Option two, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and at the same time you need to have 10 million viewers which are valid within 90 days. That is 3 months. So you need to hit one of those. Then you are ready for monetization. Okay, step two. First of all, you need to follow YouTube rules. So here's the thing. You make sure your content or video has to be original or very clean. So when I talk of being original and very clean, one, which means you need to upload your own video. No re-upload content. No copyright clips. Three is you don't need to put only AI voice. That is a spam video. Then you need to follow YouTube community guidelines. So in your video or in your channel, when you do all these things that I've just mentioned, these are the things that will make you monetize your channel and you begin earning without problem. Because YouTube only pays people who do what? People who add value on their videos, and those people who doesn't add values like copy and paste, these are people YouTube doesn't really pay them. So you need to follow exactly what I've talked about right now. Then you are good to go with your YouTube monetization. We go to step three. Step three is all about applying for your monetization. If you've reached all the thresholds that I've just mentioned, like 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, or the second option was 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views, which is valid within the 90 days, or that is 3 months. If you've reached all those thresholds, then you will see apply now at the monetization tab there, whereby you can go and click on that to apply to start your monetization journey. Then from there, you will create or connect your AdSense account to your YouTube channel. And remember, AdSense account is where YouTube sends your money you earn from your videos. So you need to be very serious, like when you are doing the AdSense kind of things, because that is exactly where your earnings comes through and that's where you get your money. So you need to be very skilled when you're doing it. Okay, after approval, you can begin earning instantly from your ad. Step four, you need to choose how you can earn because there are some options. If you don't choose, you will not get enough money. Okay, once when you started earning, there are other sources that you need to turn it on. Then let's first dive in and see which are these. One is ad revenue. Ad revenue is one of the important things that you need to do immediately after when you qualifies for the YouTube Partner Program. You need to select them one by one and make sure all the videos you've uploaded, you need to monetize them. If you don't do that, you will not get money. So the ad revenue is one of the important things that you need to do. So if you don't add all those things, then you will not get your money. Then two is through channel membership. You need to also begin setting your channel membership. So if you want to know more about all these things, in the next video, I'm going to actually make a video on how you can set these things. So in case if you want to know about how you can set all this source of income in your channel, you need to type there, yes, I need to know. Number three is super chat and stickers for live streamers. This is very, very important. For those of you who are monetized and who always goes live, you need to set this because immediately after when you are monetized and when you go live, there are some stickers that will be sent to you. That is money. So please, you need to be very, very careful about this too. Then the next one is shopping and affiliate links. Yes, you need to know how you can at the same time do the shopping and affiliate linkings. Because when we talk about affiliate linkings, these are the ways how you can really make money through affiliate marketing. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, please, I'm going to make a video about affiliate marketing, because these are one of the strategies even you can start earning before monetization. But the ones that you are monetized is more values than the one that you've not been monetized. So please, you need to be very careful. And when you are trying to do setting of this, very important for you who is watching me right now, because these are the things that I am doing in my channel. I am earning through it, through my other channel. So it's very important. YouTube Infotech is always here for you to let you know exactly what is happening in this YouTube world. And I'm trying to actually let you know all these things because I have the experience and I've gone through, and this is what I'm also trying to share with you. You know, it's always not to be selfish, this life of YouTube. So please, let's gather here and let's really know how YouTube moves and how we can earn on YouTube. Yes, there is this one which is called YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is very, very important. There are other things, people, or there are other types of YouTube which is called YouTube Premium. Once when someone watches through YouTube Premium, that is another money. So you also need to know how to set this. These are the things that you should not leave behind after when you've already qualified for monetization and when they have really approved your monetization. So please, we should not leave all these sources of income through YouTube behind. We need to do it step by step so that we don't leave it. We don't really get behind. We don't lose the money that we deserve in our channel. The reason why I'm trying to mention or let you know all these sources of income is because there are other people outside there who thinks only YouTube gives money through ads only. But no, these are all ways how you can earn money on YouTube. So as I said before, you need to go through all those sources so that you get at least reasonable amount of money at the end of the month. So please be very, very wise. Number five, we are going to talk about keep growing. If you keeps on growing, then you will be having a lot of fans or followers. That makes also your income rate to go high. So that is one of the things that you need to focus, you need to think about it. So let's first dive in and see how we can keep growing, or what can make us grow very fast, or keeps on our YouTube channel keeps on growing after the monetization itself. This is very important. You need to post constantly. As I said before, consistency is what matters in YouTube. The reason is like this: you cannot just get monetized and you stop posting. Now, where will you get that money? And the reasons why your subscribers subscribe to your channel is they need a lot of knowledge, or they need to know much more about what you're doing. So always you keep them come back. How will you keep them coming back? It's through uploading more videos of their interests. Like when in a week, when you program to upload 3 times in a week, then you need to do it like that so that they keeps on coming. Like from Monday, they will know that on Monday you will be uploading. They will definitely come on Monday. Then on Wednesday, they will say, oh, yes, Infotech is uploading another video today. They'll keep on coming. Then on maybe Saturday or Sunday, they'll keep on coming. So they will always put in mind that on these 3 days you will upload. So they'll keep on checking on their notification bells. So that is what you have to do. Always keep constant on your channel. Keep uploading. Number 2 is you need to create eye-catching thumbnails. First of all, I have to ask you a question. What made you to click to this video right now, the one you're watching? It is because of the catchy thumbnail. So once when you made a very catchy thumbnails, it drives traffics to your to your video or to your channel, so that people keeps on watching. And the more people watch, the more watch hour you get, and the more viewers you get, and the more money you also get. So you have to make a very catchy thumbnails when you are uploading. So that is one of the very important thing that makes your YouTube channel to grow very fast. You need to make sure you have to make a very catchy one, very nice one. So that is one of the things that you really have to know. Number three is you need to use SEO keywords. Yes, these are very important things. Do not write things at random. You need to do these things in a very professional way. How? You either go to TubeBuddy or VidIQ, or you go to the YouTube studio at the search bar there where you find a trend. There, when you get those things, yeah, you do it accordingly. The fifth thing is you need to keep your audience watching up to the end. And here, how will you really make your audience keep watching up to the end? Yes, you need to keep interacting with your audience through your video. One is through call for action to subscribe. Then two is to comment, like, even sharing. You need to do those interactions, because from there it also keeps your audience keeps on watching the video up to the end, and trying to aware them to watch it up to the end, because there is something that you are going to mention which is very important, and that will make you to help them grow their channel. So something of this kind can really make them understand, okay, this video, I have to watch it up to the end, because this person is almost mentioning what can really help me best in my next video that I am going to do. So that is it. And remember, your first 1,000 subscribers are the hardest. But then after that, it's now a snowball. Everything will just go. That is a promise to you. 1,000 subscribers are the hardest for you. But after that, I am trying to repeat it time and again that it is a snowball. Okay, this is for you, my beautiful and very honest subscribers. It's a bonus for you, because you being with me in this world of YouTube is very important. And I know you trust me. And that is also what I know in my mind, that I have to trust you. Now I am trying to let you know something very special. Do you know that you can also earn from YouTube without monetization? By the way, even if when you're not monetized on YouTube, you can still make money on YouTube, as I told you before. This is how you can make it. One, it is through promoting an affiliate links over some apps. That is, one is TubeBuddy, then two is Amazon, maybe three is VidIQ, and the rest. Now, how will you do it? You need to link that software link to your what? To your video. Put the link under your video description, so that once when somebody clicks on it and actually downloads the pro version, because the pro version is being sold. So after when they buy it through your link, then another share comes to you as the person who linked that video to that person who has bought it. So you see how you can make money without monetization. So stop waiting for monetization from YouTube. So the only thing is you can begin building your income strategies today, not even tomorrow, not even after 2 hours. Right now, you need to begin building your strategies. If this video really helped you, do not forget to subscribe, to like, share, and even hit on the notification bell, so that when I upload another catchy video for you, you will definitely get the what? The notification. So please watch this video up to the end, and you will get the value from YouTube Infotech, your YouTube channel that always gives you a very, very brilliant and catchy video that makes you grow your channel too. Thank you so much for the time.